Man, am I so pumped to find out what these colors look like. Stay tuned.
If there is something we need, it's a leap of faith. A step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around you. How far can you see? How far do you think you can run, standing on your knees? It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare.
So hey everyone, I am super excited to be able to share with you a new product. Look at this, aren't they beautiful? I got these, oh my gosh, maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. I had seen somebody else online use them and it was beautiful. And what I'm hoping is it's going to give me the look I'm looking for in order to do my bee wings. So I figured I would open them and share them with you guys. I'll do a swatch and we'll see. So these are Coliro. They are handmade pearl colors in gold and silver. Let's see what we have in the box. Oh, well that's really pretty. Box over. Oh, it's got the little sample, so it tells you the color numbers and the colors. And look at that. It shows you what it looks like on white paper and what it would look like on black paper. Oh my goodness, black paper. That would be so cool. I could see doing this and having some kind of moonscape star picture. Ooh. Okay, I'm thinking. Let's see here. I can get these opened. All right. Well, that's interesting. It's like little individual pots. Let's see, and they sit down on top and snap in. Very pretty. I love the texture. Right. Let me see what the directions say. If it says anything on the package. It says put the water on and kind of let it activate for about 3 minutes. So I have got my water. And I have my dropper. So I'm going to put a couple drops. 3, 4, 5. You don't have to, I'm not going to be all precise, but we're just going to let those activate a little bit. Paints like this, like if I'm using a pan, I'll either use a spray bottle or I'll use this dropper. And we'll let that sit there for a few minutes. So I'm trying to think of all the different ways I could use these colors. And wow, I think there's a lot of, like I said, I think using it for stars, a moon, I think that all would be really, really good. I'm gonna slide the paint here, and it does come with a little, like a little 3-tray palette. These would also be pretty easy to take with you if you want to paint outside, which I do like to do. So I'm gonna slide that up there, up a little bit. And I went ahead and prepared my swatch area. So just make sure I got that all in here. And I know you can see the tripod legs, and I am so sorry for that. I am working on better solutions, but for now, that's about all I can do. Here we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working this. I have my paper towel. I actually have an extra little piece of Arches watercolor paper in case I want to do a little bit more blending. But let me get a wet brush and my Princeton Snap size 6 round. And let's go ahead and start. I think I'm going to start from the left, and so that'll be Tibet Gold. Let's just get that worked in. So the grooves really help it to kind of work. Let's just see. That right there, that is gorgeous. You guys see that shimmer? Oh, I love that. This next one is Inca Gold. So I'm gonna just get that all worked in there. I could have probably used just another, maybe half of those drops. Some paints absorb it really, really well, and some don't. So let me look at this. Inca Gold, look at that. Beautiful. It's more of a brassy color. Then this next one is Arabic Gold. I think it really helps having that the texture and the ridges in the bottom. Arabic Gold. Much finer gold. Very pretty. All right, this next one is going to be Gold Pearl. Let's get this all worked in. Gold Pearl. A little bit, again, more of a shimmer, less of an outright gold. Very pretty. And I'm doing this, I'm putting all my swatches in my little journal, my little watercolor journal. This is Moon Gold, and this intrigues me. This is kind of what I was thinking might work well for the bee's wings. Oh, and I think it will. Do you guys see that shimmer? I'm gonna bring it up a little closer. See how that moves? And that shimmer? Isn't that beautiful? Wow. And now my water is all shimmery. And we're gonna go to sterling silver. Work that all in. And here is the sterling silver. So this is really pretty. I'm not sure if you will pick it up, but that is just like a pearl shimmer. That is beautiful. So I'm gonna let those dry, and then I'll show you what the finished colors look like. So yeah, here they are. I'm gonna go ahead and I took you off of the tripod so I could show you how this looks. You will see. Look at that Tibet gold. You see how that just has like that beautiful pearlescent. Here's that Inca gold. See how that just has a shimmer, but it has a little bit of a brassiness. The Arabic gold is just a little bit more sheer, and it's a good combination of the two. We get up here to the gold pearl, and that's just pretty. But you can see I'm tilting it, and you can just see that shimmer. Moon gold. I think that probably is one of my favorites. But then look at the sterling silver. You see how that just has a perfectly little pearl look? I love it. I can think of all kinds of things I want to use this for. Very excited. Thank you guys for watching. And make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell to catch more reviews and painting tutorials. Thanks again, and have a super day.
If there is something we need, it's a leap of faith. A step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around.